I'm here to really just celebrate and on an official basis welcome everyone here to the Dragon Boat Festival.
When I started the festival in 2001, our goal was to bring the Asian community together and to promote the Asian culture and the community, because we're so small here. A lot of times we are overlooked.
Really, the Dragon Boat offers magic. For 10 years, it's offered the magic of being able to give the opportunity of over 500,000 people to immerse themselves into the diverse Asian cultures that surround them here in Colorado.
Okay, this is my third year, and the best part of the festival is definitely the dragon boat racing. I had all my family come now from north of Colorado. The way I described to me is the most exciting event that we have in Colorado.
Really fun, and it's a family-oriented event that, you know, there's something that appeals to just about everybody. So we've got dragon boat races for the sports enthusiasts, we have for the foodies, for the shoppers, we have Taste of Asia and Marketplace. We have a full array of performing arts going on that showcases not just our traditional culture but also contemporary culture.